Hey guys, welcome back to another Monati YouTube video. If you're a returning subscriber, what it do, what it does, what it do. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome. So as you can see by the title of this here video, I will be showing you guys my simple makeup tutorial. I won't say every day because I don't think a lot of people have time to be doing this every day because it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, trust me, it's a lot of work. A lot of people have been asking me how I do my makeup, and I know what you're thinking. Well, what do you mean a lot of people? Kabi, you just started your YouTube channel yesterday and you only have 3 subscribers. I know, don't attack me. I know I have 3 subscribers and I know I started my YouTube channel yesterday. But when I mean a lot of people have been asking me about this and like requesting this video, I mean like ever since I started doing makeup. So today I'm showing you how I do it from A to Z. I got you. Okay, so without further more delay, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I've already done, guys, I don't have like a small mirror, so like I took off my mirror on the wall and I put it here. See what I'm doing. This is very ghetto, like this is the bottom of the bottom, but anything for you guys, you know. Anything for you guys. Just buy me a mirror, okay? Buy me those small mirrors, please. Please, I need it. Okay, I moisturized my face. I use this moisturizer, the Cetaphil moisturizer. And then right after that, what I'm gonna do is prime my face with this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Minimizer Rangarizer. So I'm gonna have to look in this mirror, guys. I don't know how this is gonna work. I hope it does work. If you just maybe if I move and then I can bring the mirror. Hope it doesn't knock over the lights. Hope you guys can see me. So what I'm gonna do is, this is so ghetto, oh my gosh, is put it like here on the areas where I have pores, and I'm just gonna rub it in. Okay. Now we're done with that. Now what I'm gonna do, because being a brown skin girl, we usually have a lot of like pigmentation and stuff like that, which isn't cute, you know. I mean, it's not, let me not say it's not cute, but it's just like, I'm so dry, let me moisturize my lips. But like it's like annoying because then you don't have like a flawless foundation finish. So what I'm gonna do is take I'm moisturizing this, by the way. Oh, and this do-rag, I forgot to explain the do-rag. This is me laying my hair so then it's flat, then I can put on that little hairpiece ponytail. So I'm sure you guys are wondering like, sis, the do-rag, what's up with the do-rag, the do-rag, the do-rag, the do-rag. So yeah, anyway, I digress. So I take this color corrector from Alphabetical and then I put it where I have dog marks, which is here and here and around here. I have like a moustache line. So I want you to do that real quick in my mirror on the table. And then I'm gonna blend it out with this brush. You can use a concealer brush. I don't know what brush this is. I just stole it from my mom, but it looks like a concealer brush, so you can use a concealer brush. And if I blend it out like this, just so like it blends. This is probably the most ghetto YouTube video makeup thing you've ever seen, but it's okay because you're gonna end up looking hot. Okay, so once that's done, we get to the fun part, the interesting part, the nice part. Where is my foundation? Foundation. Okay, I got my foundation. I use the MAC one, the Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15, fondant SPF 15. That's what it says in that other language out there. So what I'm gonna do, and this is the brush that I use. Guys, I really suck at this. Like, I really suck at this. I haven't told you guys, like, this is not gonna be a beauty channel because I forget to say things. I forget to mention important things that you really are gonna need to know. So I'm gonna put it on in like a circular. Oh damn, I feel like I put on a lot. And try and get like where the red is. Oh my gosh, this thing is shedding. Oh my gosh, get off my face. Ah, get off my face! Don't forget to bring it down to your neck and your ears so you're not two-toned. Cause you don't wanna be a two-toned hun. No one likes a two-toned hun. This is actually how my makeup goes. I really suck at doing makeup, like I really suck. So right now it's on terribly, you know. Right now you're like, Khuliso, what the hell? Why do you look like that? That's why we have this, a beauty blender from Real Technique. Shout out to Real Techniques because they snapped. So you need to make it damp. I'll be right back because I didn't make it damp. Okay, so it's damp. So what I'm gonna do is just blend it like this. Now we're gonna highlight. I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 50, which is the equivalent to the LA Girl font. Okay, I hope you can see me. I'm just gonna take it down like this. I don't take it all the way because my face is round, and that's gonna make my face look more wide than it already is, and I don't want that. This camera is so loud, yo. Aye. Why does it have to focus so loudly? I don't highlight my chin because that makes me look round. I don't highlight my forehead because it's so awkward working around here because excuse me, because of like the eyebrow area. So yeah, then I contour with this black Opal foundation stick in the shade Black Walnut. So I take it from like the top of my ear because I just saw makeup people do it like that on Twitter. I don't even know why I do it. Let me not even lie and say because of XYZ. I just saw people take it this high up, so now I do it too. And then I blend it out with this brush that I got from Urban Studio, the angle contour brush is how it looks like. And then I just blend it up. Now that the highlight has set, we can blend it in because it won't shift around, it won't move around, anything like that. So I'm just gonna take the Real Techniques Beauty Blender and then just blend it in. You guys have seen blending in, so you've seen many makeup people do this. And then I just take it into my eye. Name me someone who can do the makeup like this. I'll wait. That's right, nobody. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I really could have used this mirror all along. Oh, c'est la vie. That looks snatched. Let me just, since I can use this mirror, let me fix. Let me just add a little bit more because it's kind of like washed out and it's not that bright. So I'm just gonna add a bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna take the thingy and use this angled contour brush that I got from Kala, Sala, Bala, Rala. Just gonna, oh, forgot I have a mirror, so I'm just gonna pick it up like this, just to set it. Guys, I'm so embarrassed. I can't believe I had a mirror all along and I let you guys see that monstrosity. Eyelids are creasing. That's because I forgot to set. Because like I said, I'm bad at this. I use the Makeup Revolution setting powder. Oh my gosh, like, can you come out, dude? Can you come out? Like today, bruh. Like today, bruh. Like today, bruh. Come out, bruh. And then I just take it from this. I use this fluffy brush from Real Techniques. It's a setting brush. And then what I do is I get dust over my highlight just to set the highlight so it doesn't crease like it creased my little eyelids. Here by my smile lines because my makeup creases there because I laugh a lot. And then the hard part for last, because I suck at nose contouring. I really do suck at nose contouring. I use this brush I got from Discam. I don't know the name. I think it's one of those no-name Discam makeup thingies. And then I use this foundation thing. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to look in the mirror again. I'm gonna have to do the ghetto stuff again. I'm sorry, but like I really suck at nose contouring. So yeah. So I'll show you as I go along, like what I do. I'll talk you through it. I'm a good teacher, you know. Zama. So you saw me dip into the thing. So now I'm gonna draw a line. And then I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush. You can use a fluffy brush or an eyeshadow brush. I use the eyeshadow brush because it's fluffy too, so I guess it serves the same purpose. And then I'm just gonna like blend it like this, you know. So hey, you want today? It was happening. You wanna the camera? You wanna camera? It's cooperating now because the cameras are here. Then I'm gonna take this LA Girl one. I think I can look in the small mirror again now. Okay, Kisinja. I'm gonna bring it in. Kisinja, guys. I ruined. I'm gonna fix it though. And then I just bring it like this to give myself like a cute button nose. Kisinja. So since it looks crazy, I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just like go on top of it. Maybe try and blend it in because I look a bit wild. I'm gonna take this Yardley quad eyeshadow. What is this color? Wanderlust. Guys, I've had this for like the longest time, and it was my first eyeshadow palette because it's so simple. Like Yardley really snapped at this. Like makeup, they really did snap. So I'm just gonna go in like the crease of my eye, just to give it that more natural look. So I'm going to here. Now I just take it underneath the eye. And sometimes my contour looks a bit crazy because I just started learning this whole contour thing. So I just like rub it with this powder brush. I never used to be a blush girl until I saw one of Cindy Khan's videos, and she used blush, and I was like, oh my gosh, it really just adds like that color because it's like such a plain makeup look. This adds like that like pop of color that like you need. So this is the Yardley one. Shout out to Yardley again. And then it's in the shade Anna Apple. It was really affordable. I don't know, I forgot the price, but like it was really affordable. So I just take it on the brush. This brush I got it from Discount, from that Kala Sala Rala Bala brand, and then I just rub it on my cheek, taking it up. And then take it up like this. And now I set my face. I don't know what Makeup Revolution did, but here they fumbled with the setting powder, tops, eyeshadows, tops, but setting spray. And then I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake it. And then I'm gonna spray. And then before it dries, hate the smell, yo. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and press the setting spray in. This makes it last long, guys. What I'm gonna do now is highlight, and guys, my highlighter broke, so yeah, but it's a Wet n Wild one in the shade Precious Petals. This is how it looks. It really broke, guys. Like, this is not cute. Oof, it's falling all over. Yo, guys, my life. And then I just take it here. I don't really do the most with it, because I don't like it when like your highlight is like rah, rah, like it screams, you know. I like it when it's like, hey, what's up, you know. I'm gonna use my finger to do my nose. It's saying not hey, what's up. I don't want you to do this, bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me. Oh. And then take the beauty blender. This is a rescue mission. We're rescuing Khuliso's highlight. Okay, there we go. I was being super dramatic for nothing. I put my eyelashes on off screen because I'm not a pro at this, and you've seen the mirror issue, you've seen that mirror issue. Nothing is cute with the mirrors right now, so I'm gonna just quickly put that on, then I'll be right back. Yeah.
4 to 6 days later.
I'm back. I put on my lashes, I did my hair, took that little durag off, and yeah, this is the look. So right now what I'm gonna do is just put mascara on my bottom lash and a bit on the thingy, the eyelashes, just to make them look more natural. Now for the lips, I use this MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut. And then for gloss, I use this Fenty Beauty, what is it? Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. Yeah. This is my Precisely My Brow Benefit Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, and I line on top of that just to make it a bit darker. This is the complete look. This is my simple makeup tutorial. You see, it wasn't hard, it wasn't difficult. The only difficult part was watching me look in this little mirror right here, and then look in that little mirror, and then leave, and then it was very messy, but that's how we look at the end, so it was worth it. It was worth the heartache, the ups and the downs and the downs and the ups. It was worth everything. If you want to see more videos from me, put them in the comment section. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell so you can be notified when I drop more content. Eating, and that's all from me. So bye guys, love you long time and all the time.